body has its own space, its own rhythm. So working and developing body qualities and deepening understanding of your own body develops self-awareness, body-mind integration, balance, self-control, and bodies around you. There is one very basic training in a physical theater, just walking in space, exploring the lines of the floor. Unconsciously, you create some geometrical patterns on the floor. How you feel when you meet somebody in the space can be developed by adding additional tasks, like increasing the speed of walking, like for a group to stop together and to start walking together without any signs. You can add so many additional things, and they can work for like developing the group dynamic or teaching geometry through this, or creating even small improvised theatrical situation. You can embody everything. You can embody a scientific concept, any phenomenon from the nature, space, non-living surroundings, or even any kind of object created by a human being.
One of the simplest ways to make people understand just how huge the universe is a solar system model. But you can do smaller versions of that where, the sun is a football and you get the kids to stand holding a little either drawing or model of each individual planet. And they soon become just astonished, just how tiny these things are and how big the gaps between them are. And I particularly like the extra idea of also making the kids move in circles at the appropriate speed that each planet orbits the sun. It's fun. You're usually outdoors. Yeah, I think that's a great way to get it across to kids.